So, look what we woke up to this morning. Can't see much. Can't see much. Let me show you. We are waking up to blizzard conditions in southwest Kansas, where I live. Y'all, this is insane. We had already gotten snow last week. Look at this, guys. Like, just look at that. That is insane. Like, the house I live in, you can't really hear a lot, ironically. But y'all, this is my front yard. Like, I'm gonna be brave. I can't open my door. Oh, no. I can't open my door. Y'all, I don't know whose truck this is. This is crazy. And I'm really scared to let Nala out. But, like, we got a text at 5:30 last night about we weren't gonna have school today. We were gonna have a snow day. My superintendent never cancels school. But, holy cow. We're expected to get up to 8 inches of snow. And we already had like an inch and a half last week. We still had snow on the ground before this stuff hit. Good thing my heater works. We're gonna have highs of 12 degrees. And here in southwest Kansas, that's not normal. 20 degrees is, but y'all, I don't know why I did that because, y'all, like, that's my front yard. This is insane. I have a huge yard, both back and front. But holy shit, y'all. Nala wants to go outside. I'm scared to let her go out. She's gotta go. She's gotta be able to go to the bathroom, but y'all, this is insane. This is crazy. I look like a hot mess. It's fine. But this is crazy. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Nala really wants to go outside, y'all, but like I completely missed that. This is my backyard. You can't see shite. Nala will get very excited when I open my door because she really needs to go outside. We're gonna skip. We're gonna get Nala's reaction, so un momento. All right, y'all. We're gonna let Nala out. Mama, sit. Sit, Mama. Nala, sit. Good girl. Like, y'all, do we see this? This is crazy. Nala's playing, kind of. She's used to this because we had snow last year, but I don't think she's gonna go to the bathroom. We'll see. She's on her cable. Y'all, this is crazy. I've documented a lot of weather stuff on my channel. She's not even leaving the door. This is insane. Like, y'all don't, like, it's because of my heat in my house, which I'm very fortunate. Like, this is crazy. This reminds me of the storm we had in 2017 where we got 15 plus inches of snow and we had to dig our way out into town because we lived in the country at the time. Nala is literally sitting by the door. It is crazy. Like, do you see my satellite for my internet. I can feel it through my door. I need to let Nala in. She needs to go to the bathroom though. You see the power lines? Hopefully we don't lose power. This is crazy. We're still expected to get up to 8 inches of snow if I haven't said that already. So I'm gonna check back in later today. I'm not going anywhere. It's supposed to last till tomorrow, so I don't know if we'll have school tomorrow either. No. Oh, what happened, baby girl? I need to get Nala untangled. She needs to come inside. She needs to go to the bathroom. But I'll check in with you later. I know, look, a hot mess, but usually I can see. So I don't know how to show you guys. So right here is where I head to work. I walk this way. I can't even see the buildings down here. And I'm normally able to see pretty far down. I can't see anything. I can barely see my neighbors. This is great, guys. You don't understand. We don't get a lot of snow in Southwest Kansas, especially where I'm located. But from the direction of where this is blowing, this is the worst part of the weather that we get. Even in the summer, if the rain's coming from Colorado, that's our worst storms. That's when we get tornado producing stuff, and now we're getting a blizzard in January. Crazy. Like, wow. This is insane. I need to let Nala in. She needs to go to the bathroom though. If you have pets, please, especially with all the states that are affected by the storm, please bring them in. And I need to let my dog in, but she needs to go to the bathroom. But this is mind-blowing. All right, so I'm gonna take care of Nala, and I'm gonna check in with you guys later today. Third update, still there. I will show you. It is 10. Yes, something like that. That's almost 10 if it's not 10 already. So I have some 3 ingredients peanut butter cookies in the oven. If you want to bake them, they're very simple. It's 1 cup each of sugar, almost a pepperoni, ew, peanut butter, 1 egg, mix it. I put them in muffin cases, cupcake cases for easier storage. And right now I am cooking up some al pastor meat because yummy. I added some garlic powder to it because good for your heart. I'm going to add egg to it, but I'm also going to split this in half for either dinner tonight or for tomorrow night's dinner. We obviously have a snow day if you haven't seen the first portion of the vlog. So I'm not sure, and then here's my container to do that. So I'm actually going to add water to let that thicken down and get nice and crisp. Al pastor meat that I bought has a lot of fat in it. So we're just going to let that cook down. If I need it to be thicker, I can add cornstarch to it, make a slurry. But I wanted to get some brownness on the meat first. This isn't as tomatoey as my other batches of al pastor. So I buy the meat and I portion it because it's just me, and this has lasted me over a month. So I still got my chicken breast in the freezer. I got hamburger in there. So I'm gonna add egg to this one after I portion it out and it cooks down. So I got eggs boiling as well. I like to keep hard-boiled eggs, mainly because Nala likes them. It's a good source of protein for both of us. I like to make egg salads. I've got some tuna up here I can use it with. So I'm just trying to meal prep as much as possible because I don't know how much snow we're supposed to get, how much snow we're going to get. And so I just want to make sure I'm ready for tomorrow in case we do go to school. I'm pretty sure we will. It just depends on the conditions of the roads and stuff. But I live in town, so I literally live 5 blocks. So, how was your New Year's? Mine was interesting. I've made a lot of realizations and a lot of resolutions, I would say. A lot of things are going to be changing, and I'm very excited about it. Number one thing is I'm getting my license this year. Such a saga. That's a whole other video. I'm changing my hair up. I'm still thinking about what color I'm going to go because I wanted to go gray. But for me to do that, that's a lot of processing, and my hair is really long. And so I don't want to expose it to all of that kind of chemical. So if my other thought process, I know you should strip your hair. However, for me as a curly haired girly, that's not an option. I don't have a salon here where I live, and I don't have a car to go to a salon. So that's just not an option for me. So I could technically go back brown and then just let it grow out more and then just cut that color out of my hair. I could do that. Or I could go back really red like I was, or keep the magenta. I don't know yet. So I could, side note, I'm going to add another 1/4 of a cup of water to my pan. I do this twice. Oh my god, it smells amazing. So that's going to cook down again. I cook it till the water is completely evaporated. So my hair is going to change. I'm getting some piercings done. I want to get my tattoo. I am still on my weight loss journey, still doing that. I've lost more weight. I can see it in my face. I can see it in my body. I'm very excited about it. I'm going to be doing meal prepping and a workout plan today. I'm going to figure that out since, bonus, we have a snow day. And then I need to do some other stuff, but I can't remember what it is. So, yeah, I also have decided that in my personal life, like personal relationships, if you cause, like, look at that, that's ridiculous. If you cause me trauma, you're done, you're out. And if you want to be a part of my life, welcome. It's kind of how I am right now, kind of how I feel. So I'm actually going to add egg to this. I think I've already said that, if I have. Alright. So I'm going to leave some of the, I don't know what you would call it, sauce. I got an email. But I'm going to cut this in half for later. We'll go a little more because the egg's going to add more bulk to it. I'm going to let that cool down before it goes into the refrigerator. I got another little bowl here to put all of this delicious meat that I'm going to eat this morning because I am starving. My head actually hurts. So let's get some protein in me. I'm like quadrupling the amount of protein that I have. I don't like cooking meat, but I need it to survive, so here we are. I'm gonna cook 2 eggs. That's in pan. That's in pan. Yes. That's a big ass egg too. And you know, also, I'm just not gonna give a damn what anybody thinks about me anymore. I've been giving a damn for a while. I just don't anymore. I'm just gonna add salt to this because this is gonna have a lot of flavor. So I have a new attitude on life, to be honest with you. And if my lifestyle makes me happy, then why would that matter to anybody else? So we're gonna scramble this in the pan. Turn down my heat. If I'm happy, that's all that matters. So the eggs are boiling. So I let my eggs boil for a good 7 minutes, and then I turn the heat off because I have electric burners, and I just let it continue to cook with the heat off, and it comes out to be the perfect boiled egg. I usually would have time but I'm out. I need to go to the store this week, but I've been so busy. So we're just gonna improvise. My eggs are almost done. Turn the heat off. Nobody likes overcooked eggs. Add it to my meat. My mouth is watering. I'm very excited about this. We're gonna put this in the top. Easy cleanup. Set that right there so I don't know anything. I'm gonna put my other meat in the refrigerator. Okay, so we're gonna add some ketchup. I'm gonna drink a soda. I need to cut soda out of my diet, to be honest with you. So yeah, I'm excited for the changes. I'm just nervous for some of them. Ooh, those look so good. I'm gonna give them a couple more minutes. I'm just over being sad. I'm over letting other people determine what I do. Like, it doesn't work that way. I'm also gonna get me some tostadas to eat with this. My mouth is watering, y'all. I look like garbage. All right, so we're gonna do the update really quick, and I'm gonna show you where the blizzard is at the moment. This is the kitchen. You can't really see, so we're gonna go into the living area and go check on it. It is like almost 10, if it's not 10 already. The wind isn't bad right now. It's the gusts of wind that it's crazy. So there it is. So we're gonna look at the front. This is technically my front door. I think I've said that, I don't know. I use my back door more. Like, look at the drift. I don't know whose truck that is, but like, that's crazy to me. Oh, do you hear that? That's insane to me. Like, holy cow. So it's completely almost flipped our sign over. I can't, oh my God. Do you hear that? Like, it's shaking that truck. Like, that semi is shaking. That's insane. The drift is like crazy. So that's where we're at. This is gonna last all day and all night. So stay warm, fellow Kansans, especially in the southwest part of the state. It's, you know, we're gonna go look in the office really quick. And over here, this is my living room, if you didn't know. My window's covered, you can't see shit. So let's go to this side. This is my office storage area. There's another view. This is insane. So that's currently where we're at. I'm gonna go check my huevos and eat because I am starving beyond comprehension. I am so hungry. All right, so we're gonna turn the burner off for the eggs. Like this. Get my lid. Where's my lid? I need my lid. It's right in front of me. And we're gonna let that continue to cook on the burner because it's off. But I do that to continue to cook, and I don't have soft-boiled eggs because I don't like that texture. I'm going to the inside of tostadas. See with my al pastor. At first I kept saying el, and it's like, it's not el, it's al pastor. So I'm gonna eat that with my meal. I'm going to go watch some TV and chill. Let my eggs do its thing. My cookies. Let's check the cookies really quick. They should be done. They smell like it. am too far. Oh yeah, see? Oh, you can't see shite. Oh my god. So that is going to go. They are done. So I'm gonna let those cool. I'm gonna go eat. My mouth is watering. I'm very hungry. And if I don't see you, hopefully you have an amazing day. If I do see you, I'll see you soon. I'm gonna check in. I just got a message. We do not have school tomorrow either, so we are going to have another snow day, which is crazy because we never miss school in my district. So this is crazy. We get 2 snow days in a row. So the other thing is I'm using my Halloween lights to get a more cozier vibe. I think I might actually change them out for my white ones. I'm not sure yet, but I really like this vibe, which is why I look like I do right now. The wind has really died down. It's still snowing a lot. My landlord actually called me and said that she lost power where she's at and asked if I had lost power. I'm like, nah, I'm good. The only thing that is cutting in and out is my Wi-Fi because of my satellite moving back and forth. So sometimes I'll have internet, sometimes I won't. I would rather deal with that than no power. So I'm just chilling in my bed, bored. So I thought I would talk to you guys about like self-discovery and like self-awareness and kind of stuff like that. I'm going through a cycle where I don't know what I want to do, but I do know what I want to do. Does that make sense? Like, I don't know. It's kind of a really weird situation. I'm in a weird season in my life right now. Like, I know what I will and will not tolerate. I know my boundaries and stuff like that. Like, that's not the issue. I'm just trying to get through discovering more of who I am. Does that make sense? So I'm going to take you along that journey with me. The biggest change that I'm going to make this weekend is my hair color. So I don't remember if I've said this in previous clips. I don't remember. But I have magenta hair. Although I love having it, it's very high maintenance and it fades to a really gross color that I don't personally like. Everybody else compliments me on it, but I don't like it. And as you can see, I have extremely like gray hair syndrome is what I call it. So I'm thinking about coloring my hair brown. I've done this before, and my hair is a natural brown anyway with the gray. And then I think I'm just gonna wear my hair naturally after that and quit coloring it and just embrace what my hair naturally is, because I don't know, I want to see what I look like with a natural hair color. 2023 was more about being more bold and all that, which is great, and I might go back to that, but I don't want to color strip my hair because of my curls, my hair, no. So sorry, I had gotten a phone call. So I'm going to color my hair brown this weekend. I was gonna do it during the week, but I can't get out of my front door, and it is too cold and stupid of me to walk to the store. So I'm gonna wait till this weekend anyway. I have time to do it. I thought about cutting my hair, but the last time I did that, I regretted it. So I'm not gonna do that. I'll trim it, but I'm going to color it back brown, my natural hair. I don't know how dark of a brown I want to go, because my hair, you cannot see this. I don't know why I thought you could see it. You can't see it in the light, but my hair is naturally a lighter brown, but because of the gray in it, and I have pink in my hair, I think I'm gonna go a dark brown. What's crazy is nobody that I work with has ever seen me with brown hair before. They've only seen me with red and pink, or magenta. They've never seen me with my natural hair. So it would be a huge change. And so yeah, I think I'm gonna go back brown for a while and we'll see how I like it. Just because this color fades very quickly and I need to wash my hair more, I noticed. I'm trying to get my hair under control too and keep it like more maintained, if that makes sense. So I'm actually going to do an oil treatment tonight because I don't got school tomorrow, and so might as well, right? Do some self-care. Yeah, we'll see how it goes. But I just wanted to come in and check in, and the storm has settled, but we're not in the clear. So I'm going to fix dinner soon. I'm gonna have something to eat. I don't really know. And yeah, so snow day, yay.